guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I got my garden looking from this to this, then keep watching. So the first thing we had to do was to dig the grass out. So we had to dig the whole grass. This is how my garden is looking so far. So we've taken the grass off. Literally, this is how it looks. We left this little side because this is where I want to plant all my flowers. So I'm gonna sort all this bit out. I'm gonna take the grass off and make it look nice and pretty. Let me show you guys the artificial grass. So this is the artificial grass that we're going to be using. It's 40 mm. It's really soft. I really love it. It's really nice. And I'm going to show you guys my pebbles. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Basically, they're white pebbles. So they put this white thing around it to protect it. But when I wash it off, it's like pure white pebbles. So I bought like 5 bags of this, plus I bought grey ones as well, which is gonna come in later. So yeah, I'm gonna use these to decorate the garden. I'm super excited. Like, literally, I'm excited. Hi, are you excited to do the garden? Say hi. You gonna help mommy do the garden? Yes. Are you gonna help me? Say hi, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited, but I need to work on my flowers, guys. They're literally dying. Like, I feel really upset that my flowers are dying, but I'm going to work on that today. So yeah, you guys are going to see me working on my flowers. So after taking the grass out, I'm basically just leveling up the place. I'm gonna have to replant the flowers. So yeah, this is what I'm doing before replanting them. Guys, this is how my flower bed is looking now. So the next thing to do is to decorate it. So yeah, I've literally plugged all the grass out of it, and I'm just gonna lay it the way I want it to be. So this is how it's looking so far, guys. I'm so in love with it. Get it? So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is to put soil in there because I want it to be all black, and obviously the soil is good for the plants as well. Guys, this is looking amazing so far. I'm so in love with it. So anyways, I need to start preparing the place to put my pebbles, because I'm going to be putting pebbles all around there. So again, I have to layer it, and then I'm going to start putting my pebbles on there. So moving on to the grass, we're now putting the weed membrane on there. So as you can see, we've nailed it down. We've put the dry sand over it. This is just to keep it in place. And then we're gonna put the grass on. So here we're gonna put we're putting the dry sand over it, sorry. So this is also to keep it in place. And then now I'm just gonna be brushing it in just to level up the grass, just make it look all nice and pretty. So here I'm just preparing the place to put in my pebbles. As I said, I'm going to be putting the weed membrane on before, because I don't want any weed growing in between my pebbles, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And then again, I'm going to pour some sand on it just to keep it in place. And then I'm going to start putting my pebbles on there. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this was really hard work, but I really enjoyed doing it. It was really fun. This is how it's looking right now. So I put the bag there and I put sand over the bag, and I'm putting the gravels on it. So I'm just gonna cover all this bit with the bag and the sand, and then I'll put the gravels on it. Let me show you how the grass is looking. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. It looks so good. It looks amazing. Look at that. It looks amazing. Guys, my garden is finally done. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It came out really nice. I'm gonna walk you guys through to everything that we did and also how much each item cost. So first, I'm gonna take you guys to my favorite place, which is my flower bed. I'm so in love with this, guys. Like, it was so cute. So basically, I'm gonna show you how much everything cost. So these pebbles, we ended up using 9 packets and it cost £10 each. So it cost us £90 for these pebbles. And obviously, as you can see, the stones around my flower bed is different. It's the same stones that we used for here, and it cost us roughly about £20 for 5 bags. So we used 5 bags to do all of that bit, and then we did all around this bit and all around here, and over here is our artificial grass. Let me go back so you guys can see the whole thing. So yeah, over here, this is our artificial grass, guys. So the artificial grass cost us £210. The measurement is 15 feet by 10. Underneath, we've got the weed membrane, and that cost us about £35, including the nails that we used to nail it to the ground. And over here, show you guys. So over here, I've got my little flowers here. I haven't finished with it. This is actually Israel's old toy box, so I decided to use it as a flower bed. I'm gonna put some soil in there and plant my flowers in there properly, but obviously I didn't have time to do that and I wanted to finish the video. So obviously this is how it's looking right now. So I put some of the white pebbles over here, and obviously along the side we've got the normal stones. So yeah, this is how my garden is looking, guys. Ignore that watermark over there, like it rained, so we had a few watermarks on the wall. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so in love with this place. So yeah, guys, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. Bye.